Okay guys, what's up? New video here, and we are on the way to Klutch round 3 in this crazy RV. It's we got the dogs here too. Oh wait, they've been on the channel before. This is Honey. This is one of my golden retrievers. This is Honey. He's the girl. Back there is Chase, my other golden retriever. He's a good boy. It's the first time on the channel, I guess. Well, hello. Well, anyway, we're here. New video, and the RV is towing great. It's very relaxing. It's pretty bumpy, but we are about 15 minutes out from the track, and it's been going great. I drove like 3.5 hours, and he drove the rest. This is Austin, and Josh is behind the camera filming again. But it'll be a fun weekend. I'm not practicing on Friday. I'm just gonna go. We're gonna get there, set up, have a kind of chill night, slowly go over the car, slowly see if anything has to be addressed. But I think we're good for now. But for skipping this video, I'm sorry because it's very loud in here. I gotta talk loud so you guys can hear me. But we're almost there. Once we get there, we're gonna set up, we'll go over the car, and get in the car. Right. Total. Yeah, doing good. Oh, good. Oh yeah.
You driving, right?
Yep.
Right. Plus one, you'll be 35 each for the other two.
Yep.
Today on Shulman's vlog, Honey's vlog, we're gonna do a lot of nothing.
Okay, so we're all set up here at Klutch round 3. We have an awesome pit this time. And my last tent, the last round, got destroyed by the freaking tornado. So I got another one. So my awesome girlfriend Kaya got me another tent out of nowhere. Surprised me with it. So thank you, Kaya. I love you. You got this awesome thing. Just did some test pulls with the car. Ran great. Felt great, no leaks, everything is good to go. It's looking pretty, the underglow is looking fire. Wait, did I film this yet? Oh, I didn't film this. Okay, I didn't film this. I might have, I don't know. But
okay.
if I didn't film it, you got underglow now. So I spent 30 bucks on Amazon, got some cheap underglow. So I want to be a little bit of a hot boy and look kind of cool at nighttime. And as you can see, it looks pretty freaking cool to me. So I'm stoked on that. We're all here. Got an awesome pit with the RV, got plenty of space, we're chilling. I'm calming down now that I'm here. I was really anxious before because I'm very nervous because of the previous situations I've had here. So praying I can knock my bad luck off this weekend. It's going to run great. It's going to be good. I'm going to drive as hard as I can, best I can, and I want to be here without my sponsors and my friends. So thank you to all of them. Special thanks to Contact Wheel again for getting me here, and everybody else. And yeah, I'm very excited for tomorrow. So today is over. Tomorrow is drive time. So I'll see you then.
good, dude. Let's go.
Oh, oil in here.
Oil into there?
Yeah.
Valve cover.
Bad?
Yeah.
Cracked?
Right back. Well, not now. I'm sure when you're on it.
It's everywhere.
Let's see if it holds up the rest of the
I know, I checked my fucking valve cover.
You what?
I have oil in here.
Well, that's no bueno.
No?
Coming out of the back of the valve covers. Hey, look, your belt's halfway off the pulley right now.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll go back. Alright, first lap out was amazing. The car felt great. Oil pressure was great. The line, the run, my confidence felt all perfect. And I get out of the track, I felt oil all over my feet. And we cracked our valve covers. We cracked this one and cracked this one. So that was my fault taking it off. It cracked. And then this one was cracked previously. We had to get over it to get on the dyno. But this stuff holds very, very well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a steel stick. It's pretty ghetto. We're not tying the weld right now. I'm trying to get back out there so I can drive more. This stuff is crazy. It's a very, very, very good fix if you're in a bunch. It's kind of ghetto, but whatever. I'll get new valve covers later on. But it'll get us to the day, so over the weekend. So we're gonna get it on there and then get ready to go.
Watch the table. Something's wrong.
Right there. Blue coupler off. Put it at the turbo.
You guys got that?
Yeah.
It's an 11. run. The run was really good, and the car kind of just like bogged off and like shut off on me. We've been trying to diagnose the issue for the past like 2 hours, and we might have figured it out. I was on the phone with my tuner, we were figuring that out too with Steve. And I showed him some wiring, made sure things are okay, changed spark plugs. Check for fuel pressure, pressure's good, check the fuel filter, all that, check everything. And hopefully I can put a run down. I'm set, I got a 0 on my first run, but I'm praying to God I can make the run down tonight so I can get into the competition tomorrow. But I think it's rained again, so the track is very patchy. So we do get a buy run, do a buy run. Hopefully I can fix something out and the car does not break up so I can freaking put a run down. If it does, I'm going to be very upset. But it's going to work. It's going to work fine. Came off my sight lapse, so we got to swap back. I have to put my 5-minute call for that. So I don't have a score. I don't have a score for it right now. So. You guys ready?
Yep.
Go.
Keep it up.
Oh, it's so hot. I have the worst luck in the world. Did not qualify at Klutch, which is really shitty. First run, the car just shut off. I think that the spark plugs started fouling out, something like that. I don't know exactly what, but it was fine. Testing out there, and then that 1.5 lap I did was fine, and then my second qualifying lap, my belt came off, lost power steering, lost the water pump, so therefore I have no power steering. And the water pumps, the car got extremely hot. Nothing too bad, but like hot. So we had a 5-minute call, and you guys can see right here, it's very tight to get this belt on. It's not a hard process when the motor is cold and the radiator is hot, but when it is very hot, you will get very burned. So I usually will stay in the car to get this thing fixed. So these guys can get it fixed. But I wanted to do it so I can just see. And I know how to get it there in the right place to get the socket on the bolt to get the tensioner loose. But it was so, like, seriously so hot. My arm hit the radiator and it sizzled because I was sweating and it literally sizzled. So my arm is burnt. My whole entire arm is burned. Trying to get it to go, I had to stop. Someone else tried to do it. They're trying to get it on. They're getting burned. Someone else tries to do it. They're getting burned. We almost had it, but like we were all burning ourselves. It sounds like a really dumb excuse, but like that shit was hot. It's a very simple thing to get a serpentine belt back on the car. Very simple. But that was hot, and we missed it, so I did not qualify. But the car will be driving back on the trailer by itself. Not blown engine. That is great. That's a good positive, thing. Engine is running. The car is good.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, we have a running 240 again. And we're not leaving here the blown engine. Not leaving here the broken car. It's just the freaking belt. We're gonna put it on in like 20 minutes when it cools down. But like, no joke. It really sucks that I didn't qualify. It really pisses me off, honestly, too, because it's such a simple thing. But now I guess we'll just chill and hang out, and as well as hang out. I don't know, but thank you to my sponsors, thank you to Gonzai Wheels, BC Racing, and then Fish Racing Tech, CU Master, Bell Raceworks, Billy Mitchell, Run BC, BC Rollovers. Klutch Shakers is awesome, they're awesome people. Thank you to Steve for tuning my car. Steve at the Volja Motorsports is an awesome tuner, the tuner's great. He came here with me all day trying to diagnose things, looking at the map and all that stuff. But back to that, the map was fine, there was nothing wrong with the tune, so it had to be something in the car, and I kind of diagnosed everything I could, and I think I fixed the issue. So kudos to him for helping me out, taking his free time to help me. But now, I'm going to go home with a running car, and then pull it apart again. Not the motor, we're going to pull the transmission and put a little spicy something down there. No more the normal shifts. We're going to like clunk it, you know, in there and, you know, drive
A little
harder,
clunky boy.
you know, round 4. So
Yeah.
that's the plan. But as I get back from FD, I get back Monday, I have one free day, I leave Wednesday for FD. So the week after FD, come back, pull apart stuff, and then put something cool in it. But my weekend is done. Again.
Good. We're gonna have so much fun, Matt.
Come here, Marius, come here. Okay, so if you guys didn't know what, you guys know, I told you guys, I'm on Simon Olsen's FD team. He has a sick Supra. They're from Norway. I get Sweden and Norway mixed up. I don't want to mess it up. They're from Norway. They come here from their country. They're here every month.
Yeah.
It's crazy, and they're bought them early. They came to help me out and hang out. So that's awesome. The guy swapped roles this weekend, which is pretty cool. So next weekend, I'll be with him doing what he did for me today. It's awesome to have them here. They're awesome people to help out a lot, and it's just a bunch of fun at the end of the day. But it is competition. I can get really pissed off and get things and do things I shouldn't have, but I do that sometimes. But anyway, it is what it is.
We learn and we move on.
Yeah. We'll see where the weekend takes us.
Let's go watch some drifting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More beer!
Yeah.